Hello guys, hello, my name is Yelena, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very quick Lion King theme cake. So here I am just gonna show you very quick. I'm just icing my cake in the buttercream. I colored it kind of sky blue color and I'm gonna ice it and even it out. So I'll just speed up. Some of you already know how to do that. And if somebody don't, I use crusting buttercream icing. You can find my recipe under icings playlist in my YouTube channel. And I used to smooth it out with paper towel. So, and on the bottom, I'm gonna pipe some grass. So I'm gonna pipe some strings and I'm gonna smear it with the spatula and flatten out a little bit with the paper towel too, so it doesn't create any unwanted ripples. I want it to be kind of smooth. And then I'm gonna double pipe it on top of it and I'm gonna leave it textured. So that way I created kind of like a background. Then I'm gonna attach my decorations. So the images I created, it's just edible image and I attached it to the pieces of fondant with water and just cut out. Then I'm gonna use gray colored fondant, create some rocks. And day before I pre-made some leaves and I left them dry overnight in my egg carton. So that way they created this kind of arched shape to them. And the color was lime green. And I just made plenty, make sure I have enough. So I'm gonna lay it over the edge of the cake in several layers, create kind of this fluffy look. As you can see, I had plenty of leaves. So I'm just gonna do a few just like that. I'm not using anything to attach it since the cake iced in buttercream, the leaves sticking on their own. And I'm just gonna use the rest of the leaves that's left over, just continue in the cake. And here's my topper. And here's the finished cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was quick and easy. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. Bye. Love you so much.